Today we're taking a look at a product called Local Biz Visuals Domination. What this product is actually going to allow you to do, and the way that it's going to benefit you, is that you'll be able to make money by creating marketing visuals for local businesses, and you're not even restricted to just your local area. You can take this worldwide and create you can create business visuals like flyers. You can see here restaurants, salons, gyms, dentists, they all need menus, flyers, promo posts, price lists, and more. And what this guide and interactive web app is going to allow you to do is create these visuals with AI. And it says at the top right here, local businesses pay $30 to $500 to designers for a single graphic. So you can actually come in here and start creating these visuals for the local business and earn some money, which is really great. And I think it's a really nice way to make some money online. So as you can see here, it says it works with the free versions of any AI image tool. So you can use ChatGPT, you can use Gemini, whatever AI tool you're using, you can use it. And included is 20 local business types, that's covered, 85 visual generators, ready to use interactive web app. And I'll go into the members area and I'll show you multi-page mode for menus, price lists, and things like that. And it says here, you're not just creating visuals, you're creating assets local businesses pay real money for. So they are really not shy on spending money when it comes to spending money on their business, because it's going to help them drive more business. 100% beginner friendly, no Canva, no Photoshop, no paid AI tools, and you also don't need to include your API key, which is really nice. So before we dive into the actual product and more about the sales page and who the product is by, I want to show you my 5 exclusive bonuses which I'll give you access to for free when you pick up a copy of AI Visuals Domination or Local Business Visuals Domination. So I'm going to go into my bonus stack and show you what the first bonus is. So the first bonus I'm going to give you is the Local Client Getting Playbook. Okay, the exact outreach scripts, where to find them, map, and the free sample strategy that turns I Make AI visuals into paying local clients. So it's going to teach you exactly how you can acquire these local businesses as clients. You can see this is a 5-page PDF, and it's going to teach you all of that in this exact bonus. So then bonus number 2 is the pricing and packaging blueprint, because when you're creating these visuals for the local businesses, you may not know what to charge them and everything like that. So this bonus is going to show you exactly what to charge for each visual, how to bundle them into packages clients happily buy. Okay, and how to turn one-off jobs into recurring monthly income. So that's one way to build up a recurring income too, is by packaging this, and this bonus is going to show you how to do that. And then bonus number 3 I have for you is the AI Visuals Perfection Guide. So sometimes when you're creating AI images, the text can be garbled, the brand can be inconsistent, and it doesn't export into the right size for every platform. So this guide is going to fix garbled text, lock in brand consistency, and export the right size for every platform. And it's also going to give you the troubleshooting playbook that turns good enough AI images into client ready assets. So that's bonus number 3. And then bonus number 4 is the 12-month local visuals content calendar. So a full year of seasonal hooks, holiday, and promo angles where you can benefit from the holidays and everything like that happens throughout the year. Never stay at a blank screen wondering what to post next. So I'll show you a little bit about this, but you can see January fresh starts, angles, new year promos, and things like that. So you can run this 12-month local content calendar. And then bonus number 5 is the caption and copy vault. 50 plus fill in the blank captions, hooks, and calls to actions to pair with every visual you create. So your posts don't just look great, they actually get customers to act, because you want to have a clear call to action in your visuals. so that people take action when they see them. And those are my 5 exclusive bonuses, which I'll give you access to if you pick up local local visuals domination in the link in the video description. So who is this product by? If I just go over to the product creator's profile, you can see here his name is Daniela Milandri. Okay, and you can see all these products that he's released. He's released quite a few products, and he has a pretty good rating on this platform, 4.13 stars based off of 145 reviews, and he's got 23 products. So he always puts out quality. You can really know that you're going to get a quality product when you purchase something from Danielle, and he's got that star rating to back that up. So you can see his previous product was ChatGPT Visuals Domination 2.0. It actually got a 5-star rating for that particular product, and that's really good. So you're in good hands when you decide to get this product. So let's go back to the sales page, and there are some bonuses that you do get when you pick up this product for the front end price. When you pick up the front end price, you will get some bonuses. So this will just tell you everything about the app or how the app works. So you can see it works for 20 types of local businesses. We got restaurants, we got bakeries, we got auto repair, real estate, florists, pet grooming, car detailing, wedding. Everything is pretty much covered right here. And what you can make is menus and price lists, promo posts, flyers, business cards. Okay, so it's 85 visual generators in total, which is really good. And the pricing of this is just $17 today. This the $17 price tag will run through to July 28th at midnight, and then it's going to jump to $37. Okay, the $17 is a one-time price. It's not a recurring billing, and that ends in 5 days 13 hours. So you can see this is what the flyers will look like, and I'll dive into the actual product and we'll create something like this. But you can see these are very visually attractive and they are looking pretty good. So you can scroll through these on the sales page. At the first link in the video description, you'll go to this page and you can just see that these look really good. I really like this for the barber, so that's really good. And then there's a quick demo video that you can go ahead and watch here. And this industry is quite massive, 30 million plus small businesses just in the USA alone. And the paid per single graphic is anywhere, like I mentioned, $30 to $500. Okay, so, and you can see here people charge 184 pounds, 56 pounds, 166 pounds. So there is really some nice money to be made right over here. So that launch price of $17, if you want to lock that in right now, you can click the first link in the video description. Now let's get into the actual product itself. So this is what the members area is going to look like. There's a video walkthrough right here that you can go ahead and watch, but it's a very simple members area. You get your product right here. So what you do is you open the Prompt Builder web app, and there's also a downloadable PDF guide that it says it's the complete opportunity how to create flawless visuals and what they sell for. Okay, then here are the bonuses that you get when you pick up the front end price. The bonus material is local promo ideas vault, 115 plus ready to use promotional ideas for every local business type. Okay, so that's going to be helping you in your promotions. Then the second bonus is the client ready mockup prompts pack, 12 prompts that turn your visuals into professional presentations, so you can present your presentation to the local business and you can make more sales like that. And then the third bonus you get is the style recipes cheat sheet, 25 proven style and color combinations that make any visual look professional. So those are the 3 exclusive bonuses, and I'll go into the other optional upgrades later on. But let's just start creating one of these visuals right now. So what you'll do is you'll open up the Prompt Builder web app, and you don't need to download anything. this is all happening within the product itself. So I'm going to choose a business type, and you can select from all of these right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm kind of liking that hair salon one that I saw on the sales page. So I'm going to click on hair salon. Then I'm going to choose a visual type. Okay, so I want to create, you can create a service price list, before and after transformation, book your appointment. Okay, so I kind of want to choose service price list. Okay, so what you need to do now is fill these in. You can see the ones with stars are the ones you need to fill in. So I'm just going to say, that as barber. I'm going to put that as the business name, services and prices. I'm going to say men's haircut, $20. Then I'm going to say kids haircut, $12. Then I'm going to say cut and shave. I'm going to make that $25. And then I'm going to add one more. I don't know if you're supposed to put commas in everything, but we'll see how it goes. And then I'll say wash, cut, and shave, and I'll do $30. Okay, so this is optional for extra control. You can paste your own text in here, but I'm just going to fill in the business name and the services and prices. And then I'm going to say too much content for one page, turn this on, and the app will generate one prompt per page. Okay, so I'm not going to check that. And then what it does is it generates a prompt. And then what you can do is you can take that prompt and put it into Gemini or ChatGPT to create the visual. So I'm going to generate my prompt. And what I'm going to do is use ChatGPT. You can use Gemini too, and also Grok. Okay, so I'm going to use ChatGPT, and that's cool. It opens up ChatGPT straight away. And by the way, this works 100% on the free versions of ChatGPT. So it opened ChatGPT right here. That was just the link to go to ChatGPT. But here's the prompt right here. So you want to copy the prompt to your clipboard, and then you want to go back to ChatGPT, and you want to paste it in there. And then you just want to send the prompt. Okay, and ChatGPT is going to now generate this image. So right now you can see that it's creating the image right here. So I'll be right back when that's finished. And as you can see, it did a really good job of this image right here. This I would definitely pay 30 or 40, 50 bucks for this image if I was a local business and I wanted to put this up in my shop. So you can see here, generated a logo, Caders Barber, service price list, men's haircut 20, kids haircut 12, cut and shave 25, wash, cut and shave 30. So that just did an exceptional job. I'm really blown away at the quality of this. Okay, so you can see the quality that it actually produces, and you can generate any visual that you want for any business and any type of visual that you want. So I'm just going to create one visual, and as you can see, it looks really, really good. So now if you're interested in any of the optional upgrades, I want to cover that now. So the front end price, like I said, is going to be $17. And then you get all the stuff, the web app, the 12 local businesses, the premium guide, and those 3 bonuses that I mentioned. Then you get an order bump for $12.97, and that's print ready profit pack. Okay, digital, the outcome digital only visuals are 50 to 150 job. Print ready visuals a client can take straight to the print shop, and you can charge 200 to 500 for the same job. So that's the order bump that's going to allow you to get your images print ready. And then the OTO1 is Local Biz Visuals Domination Pro Edition. Okay, after the launch, that goes to $67. This is a dedicated pro web app with 40 additional business types, seasonal campaign packs, brand consistency engine, multiple format engine, prompt doctor, paste any image that came out wrong and get a refined prompt, a visual strategy, image to prompt, and a step-by-step video walkthrough, OTO2 is going to be the client's machine, so how you can generate clients with these images. The OTO that answers the number one question every buyer has after the front end. Okay, but where do I find clients? One of my bonuses is actually going to help you out with this, which is the local client getting playbook. I'll give you access to that if you pick up the front end. Okay, so that's OTO2. OTO3 is the local social engine, and what you get is the interactive web app. Pick the business type, enter the client's details and the month, and the app builds a master AI prompt that outputs a full 30-day content plan. So that's really nice, and you get a story pack monthly package play. And then OTO4 is the ChatGPT Visuals Domination 2.0, and the prices of these are OTO2 is 47, OTO3 is 37, OTO4 is 37, and the premium guide where I'll show you and teach 30 creative and useful ways to use ChatGPT's new image generator to create stunning visuals. So that's ChatGPT Visuals, and you get all this stuff plus bonuses. And then the order bump is the Pro Edition of 67. And then the AI Traffic Arsenal is OTO5, and that's the premium 118-page guide revealing 50 proven AI-powered traffic strategies. Okay, then you get OTO6, which is Agentic AI Masterclass. This is a $27 upsell. It's a premium video masterclass where you show everything about Claude Cowork, and those are the additional upgrades if you want to check those out. So that was local Biz Visuals Domination. If you want to go ahead and pick this up, you can go ahead, click the first link in the video description, and don't forget about my 5 exclusive bonuses that I'll give you if you pick up the front end offer. That was my review, and I hope to see you in the next one.